this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the speed of a video in DaVinci Resolve 16 and so far 17. So if any of this works, consider liking and consider maybe even subscribing. There will be a slight black border around me once I swap to DaVinci Resolve. So we're going to go back to DaVinci Resolve, and here we go. This is a clip of me just in time killing 2 people in Bed Wars. So my friend is piling up, fell off sadly, and this is taking a lot of time. And if this wasn't a video, I wouldn't want this in my video because this is taking a lot of time and being generally annoying until we get into the good stuff, which is here. This video is actually being uploaded to my TikTok at es_gaming. Don't have to follow. And it was the easiest team wipe I've ever done. Like, seriously. I literally haven't said it in chat. But this clip, yeah, as I said, that's too long for what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click on it. We're gonna go up here where it says change clip speed. We're gonna click on change clip speed and you get this little thing here. You then want to click on ripple sequence. You need to do ripple sequence. You just need to check it. Apart from that, that's it. So each 100 is times 2. It is times. So that is times 1. If I make it 300, that is times 3. And if I make it 10,000, no, we'll make it 1,000. That is times, that's times 100, pretty much. I think that's how it works, I don't really know. But within the big numbers, I don't know about. All I know is that this is times 3, that's times 5, etc, etc. So you change this clip you want it to be, you then watch it through. And then if we want it to fade out of it, you can just grab a transition, put it on the clip, get the speed. We then transition to slow. We then absolutely Shrek them. What a noob, easy. And then if we want to add some nice background music, we can click on the sounds. We can turn the sound off. We can actually have some sound in our media pool. We then grab the sound that we want. We position it to where we want it for the entirety of the clip. We somehow fail the cutting. We delete that. We add all this, like this is all optional stuff, fading in and fading out. We then get this. Then we get into the good stuff. And that was how to change the clip speed in DaVinci Resolve 16 and so far 17. If this worked and helped you out, consider leaving a like and maybe even subscribing. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.